Bro, we are on the dumbest timeline. I'm not even kidding. It doesn't get worse than this, I don't think. I don't think we are physically capable of getting dumber than this. We've officially hit the peak. We have officially hit the peak of stupidity. Is it possible? Is it physically? Why are we even trying to understand stupidity? I got nothing, dude. People will be like, react harder, say something. I got nothing to say here. What can I say? Okay, calm down. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God, she's so big. Kaya's definitely gotten bigger in my absence. It's crazy. I can't even hold her up. Like, this is wild. Look at this. This is my 100-pound lap dog. Hi. Put her on the mic. Here. Speak into the mic. Don't lick it. What is Kaya's breed? She's a mix. Yeah. Kaya is a $100,000 pure breed Tibetan Mastiff that I actually stole from a Chinese orphan. And I paid the CCP $1 million for the extraction. I specifically wanted it to be stolen from a Chinese orphan. 100% purebred. A designer dog. And you know who transported her to the United States of America? Hamas. That's right. Logistics were done for this deal by Hamas. Yeah, she had to cross the Red Sea on this treacherous journey. You know who actually gave her passage? The Houthis. That's right. Now you know. Why did I pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for her? Because she knows how to cook. That's right. All of those things were correct. It's all connected. Yeah, many of you thought it was my mom that was making my meals. It's not. It's Kaya.